Want a salad packed with superfoods that you can make for lunch or dinner? We have the solution, our avocado salad with goldenberries. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and check out our links in the description for superfoods you can add to your healthy lifestyle today. All right, let's jump into making the salad. Let's start with the dressing. We like to make this ahead of time so the ingredients can sit and the flavors mix together. To begin, start by juicing 1 orange, and depending on how juicy your orange is, you may need 2 for this recipe. Add the juice of the orange to a mixing bowl, then add a pinch of red pepper flakes, pepper, and salt, as well as 3 tablespoons of sliced almonds. Then add 2 tablespoons of your favorite olive oil. Once all of your ingredients are in the mixing bowl, vigorously whisk the ingredients together until they are blended, then set the dressing aside for later. Now for the fun part, the superfood salad itself, we are going to start by chopping all the veggies needed for the salad. We like to do this all at once or ahead of time so we can quickly toss the salad together any time of the day. Start by chopping 2 stalks of celery and make sure these pieces are diced into small pieces. You want them to be very, very bite-sized. Next, chop half a cucumber, and we like to slice this lengthwise into strips and then chop it up to make it super easy. And these pieces don't have to be as small as the celery, so keep that in mind when you are chopping up your cucumber. Then you are going to thinly slice a red onion. We like to cut the onion in half, remove the peel, and trim the ends of the onion. Then thinly slice the onion lengthwise to get small pieces that will mix into the salad and add flavor without overtaking the other ingredients. You can see here how thin they end up being, so make sure you are cutting these very precisely and mixing them into the salad lightly. Once you have sliced your onion, slice open an avocado and remove the pit with your knife. Use a knife to score the inside of the avocado, creating cubes, and taking a large spoon, you can then run that along the skin of the avocado to remove the fruit inside. Now, to assemble our salad, you can use whatever greens you prefer. Because it's winter when we were filming this video, we decided to use kale for a heartier salad base and a spring mix to add some contrast and different texture. Once you lay down your leafy greens, layer the other vegetables that you already chopped over all of the greens. Remember to break apart the onion as you lay it on top too, because you don't want everything clumped together. You want a nice even bite. Once you have everything layered on the salad, we are going to add the secret ingredient of this salad, goldenberries. These sweet and tangy berries are from the Andes Mountains of South America. They are also known as Inca berries and are filled with immune-boosting nutrients, have anti-inflammatory properties, are high in antioxidants, promote heart health, and balance blood sugar. Use the link in the description to get your goldenberries today for this salad, and they have so many other snacking and recipe uses. You are sure to use these all the time. Now, once you sprinkle the goldenberries onto the salad, whisk the dressing one more time and drizzle that over the top of the salad, dispersing the almonds evenly as you drizzle because they tend to get clumped together, so we want to make sure they are all over the salad to add a little more crunch. Then there you have it, a super healthy, quick and easy salad that you can customize based on the season and your health goals. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and check out our goldenberries and other superfoods in the link in the description. Until next time, here's to a lifestyle filled with natural well-being and happiness.